So good morning everyone. This is our presentation for group 2. As you can see in this video. Uh, so step 1, preparing the base. So we measure the exact location of the bird, and then next after that we cut the wooden bird to create the main base and support pillars. So as you can see in this video, we're cutting the bird also. So after that, we are step 2, so building the rotor. So as you can see, wind copper wire and around a cylindrical core and insert a metal axle through the middle. So as you can see in this video, so after that, we are applying stick glue to the rotor. So after that also, so wind copper wire around a cylinder. So as you can see, we're wrapping the wind copper around the center. So this will attract the magnet also, as you can see this video. So step 3, so mounting the support. So glue the wooden blocks on the base to hold the rotor in place. As you can see, we're apply the glue on the wood to support the rotor. After that, we're applying the rotor also, as you can see in this video. So after that, we apply wood both sides in the center of the rotor. So this will be the installation of the magnet, as you can see in this video. So we're making sure that the wood is stable, as you can see in this video. Next is the installing the magnets. So we position the secure permanent magnets on both sides of the rotor to generate a magnetic field. As you can see in this video also, we're gluing the wood. So next is we apply the magnet also. So we're making sure that it's stable. So after that, the installing of wiring and testing. So we install we connect the rotor's wires to a power source and activate the motor to ensure a smooth rotation. So as you can see in this video. So after that, it's all done. We're testing the finished product. So that's all. It's successful. So as you can see in this video, we're done making it. So this is the finished product of electrical motor. That's all.